Hello all, this is Nikum and welcome to latest government job updates in English. So very good opportunity for you guys from IBPS specialist officer. Recruitment is there for you. Okay, position is IT officer, which is scale 1 post. Approximately your salary will be 35,000. Total vacancies are 220 vacancies. If you complete your BE BTech, ME MTech in computer science, information technology, electronics communication, electronics and instrumentation, then you can apply for the post. Okay, age limit is 30 years for general. Now we will see detailed information regarding the recruitment. So let's start the video quickly. And as always, we see the important point first. So first point is no percentage criteria. Okay, so there is no tension of percentage for BE, BTech, ME, MTech. Just you need your degree in your hand. Okay. One more important thing is that those who complete diploma plus degree, okay, that is degree or BE, BTech of 3 years, they are not eligible. Only those who completed degree after 12th, that is 4 years degree, they are eligible only. Okay, this is the important thing you need to know. Then exam center and posting will be all over India, anywhere you will get. Okay, don't take tension or don't worry about exam centers. Enough exam centers are there in your state, so no need to worry. Second is process. So process is your first pre-mains. Okay, that is pre-exam, that is qualifying in nature. Then your mains and interview, and your selection will be based on mains plus interview marks. Then exam to joining calendar we have now. I will show you that now. So you can see exam to joining calendar here. Okay, as you can see, the prelim is scheduled in 26th of December and mains is scheduled in 31st of January, and you will get your selection in April 2022. Means 5 to 6 months only you need to prepare hard, and then you will get the job. Okay, this is the specialty of IBPS recruitment. So fast you will get your position here. Age limit cutoff date is 23rd of November. Okay, for general EWS 30 years, 33 OBC, SST 35, PWD general 40, OBC 43 and SST 45. Now, which banks are participating this year in the IBPS process? So you can see the number of name of the banks, that Bank of Baroda, Bank of India, Bank of Maharashtra, Central Bank of India, Canara Bank, Indian Bank, Indian Overseas, Punjab National, Punjab Sind, UCO and Union Bank of India. And now we will see the distribution of 220 vacancies total category wise. Okay. So here you can see one term, that is NR. The meaning of NR is not reported, means whatever the vacancies are there in Bank of Baroda, okay, they did not report yet. Okay, it is possibly they will report it after also. So definitely this 220 vacancy will go up. Okay, so there are chances. So that's why Bank of Baroda is not reported right now, but there will be vacancies. Okay, it may be happen that there will be 0 vacancies. It is also possible. So Bank of Maharashtra also did the same, and you can see here NR everywhere. Okay. But where vacancy is there, Bank of India, which is second most vacancies, then 75 total vacancies, UCO Bank, okay, then 20, 25 and 30 vacancies are there. Now most important thing, you need to give preference in the form, okay, which I will show you in the form filling video. Now that preference will be based on 2 things, okay. Either you can search on the internet, okay, just see the environment and culture of each bank where you want to give preference first preference, obviously. Okay, if you want to give first preference of this Bank of India, then just search little bit about that. So based on your interest, first selection criteria is based on your interest. Second is depend on number of vacancies, okay, which I think most of the candidates will do. Like they will first select UCO Bank because UCO Bank has maximum vacancies, that is 75 vacancies. Okay, so it depends on you. I will suggest you to go with this. Okay, because after selection, if you're not finding the culture good, the environment good, then definitely you will switch or you will quit the job. That is sure. Okay, I am telling you this. That's why just select the bank based on your interest level, not based on your vacancies. Okay. Then in important days, so starting will be today only, that is 3rd of November. So today is the first date. Okay, and it will end on 23rd of November. And exam date, that is your pre, as you all know, that 26th of December. General OBC EWS will pay 850 rupees. SST will pay 175 rupees. Now we will discuss about exam pattern. Okay, so for pre-exam you have Quant, Reasoning and English, which having 50 questions each. So total 150 questions, 2 hours you will get, and 125 marks, because for English 0.5 marks is there for 1 question. Okay, that is for 2 questions 1 mark. Then negative marking of 0.25. Language will be Hindi and English, both the language. Okay, those who will fill the form in Hindi, English will be in English language only. Okay, and definitely it is the paper of IBPS, so sectional cutoff and timing is there. So what is sectional timing? So you will get 40 minutes to solve Quant, 40 minutes to solve Reasoning, and 40 minutes to solve English. So this is the sectional timing, and sectional cutoff we will get to know after result only. Okay, so in each of the subject, first criteria is to clear the sectional cutoff, then your marks will be go to merit, and then based on the merit list you will get into main, you will shortlist for mains exam. Okay, this is the basic procedure of IBPS. Then the second is mains, which is not much difficult for you guys. Just pre is little bit tricky, but main will be not difficult. Just 60 questions you will get from technical. Okay, 0.25 marks is negative. Total duration is only 45 minutes, and paper language is English and Hindi. Okay, obviously one section is there, so there is no need of sectional cutoff and timing. So after this we will discuss the how you can fill the form, because it is very much important. Okay, so next video will be form filling, and then after that we will discuss about strategy video. If you have any query, any doubt in the notification, then just comment down below. Okay, and if you want to ask me anything regarding any other recruitment, then you can DM me on Instagram also. All the best.